everyone, I am Deidre and welcome to E Prime this evening. Now, Grammy Award-winning singer Michael Rose has released his latest album, I Give You Love, produced by Dancehall Records. The 13-track set features collaborations with Bounty Killer, Bugle and Jamil, and zooms in on themes such as humanity, struggles, social injustice, and matters of the heart. The album features the tracks Dem Nah Let We Go, This World, World Crisis, Babylon Burning, I Give You Love, and Step In Like a Murderer. Rose is best known for his solo work with his tenure with the Grammy-winning reggae outfit Black Uhuru. He has collaborated with the Shabarans on the remake of Shine Ya Gal and recorded the song Shootout for Lloyd John James back in 2007. Now, Rihanna mentioned in relation to Astroworld lawsuits. The rapper on Monday was questioned in a deposition he provided in connection with hundreds of lawsuits filed against him and others over the death and injuries of patrons at his 2021 Astroworld Festival. The deposition that took place in Houston could take several days to be completed. A gag order was issued preventing lawyers and others from saying anything beyond the courtroom. This is the first time the rapper is being questioned by attorneys for those who have filed lawsuits following the concert in Houston which killed 10 patrons. Documents filed in court in April listed more than 1,500 active cases, many of which were filed against Scott and Live Nation, the concert promoter.